Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set scheduled power on off in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First go to the settings in your phone here and click on system settings and here click on schedule power on off. First you can set auto power on. Just turn on this button and set it time. You can set time here. I would like to set 6:56 minutes, and in repeat you can select days. If you would like to power on your phone every day, you have to select all days. By default all days have been selected already. If you would like to choose only some particular days like Sunday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday only, then unselect other days and you will have your phone turned on automatically. When your phone is switched off at that time, it will be automatically turned on at this time, 6:56 minute. Click on the tick mark, and in a similar way you can set auto power off. So here, now I would like to show how it occurs, because now time is 20 hour and 24 minutes. I would like to set 20 hour 25 minutes. Then what will happen in the next minute? See it. It will be very interesting to see the power off. 20 then 20 and note it's gone 23. Auto power off. No 2025. It gone 2025, so I set 2026 now, so that only I can show it now lively. I can show it. So I would like to I should set 26 here. Wow, so it's not fixing. Yes. Oh, wow. Now time is 2025 and yes, 2026 is reached, and it's showing the phone will automatically power off in 51 seconds. Wait and see what will happen after 46 seconds. Time is going on. It will notify like this, and if you want to instantly power off, click on power off. So suppose if you want to cancel it, just click on cancel. But we will wait and see what will happen after 28 seconds. 26, 25, 24, 23, 2, 1, 20, 19. It countdowns. Just wait. Just 10 more seconds away. Wow, automatically switched off. So in this way you can easily set and schedule power on off in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.